Hello friends! Welcome to the PDNob channel. Today in this video, I will recommend a free mind mapping tool to you. PDNob Mind Map. A pioneering mind mapping tool helps you visualize your ideas and simplify your work. Try PDNob Mind Map from our official website or the link in the description below. Click on Get Started. Select Add New. The new theme will be displayed in the interface. PDNob Mind Map offers a variety of layouts to fit your creative presentation. There are also various themes to decorate your mind map. Select the branch theme and modify the text style and border color in the Style function on the right. There are even simple shortcuts to help you finish your mind map quickly. This is all about PDNob mind mapping. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video and please give me a like if you think it's good. See you in the next video.